How to find out if someone has blocked you on Instagram. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find out if someone has blocked you on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then, go to the DMs by tapping the paper airplane icon from the top right corner. Now, tap on the username of the person you suspect blocked you. If your message doesn't send, that's the first clue. Next, tap their name at the top, then tap View Profile. If you can't see their profile, posts, or follower count, it means you're likely blocked. Now go back and tap the call icon from the top right corner. If the call doesn't go through and says calling but never connects, that's another hint. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.